Hello everyone, welcome to LoveBridge. Let us show you the features of the LoveBridge Bid Plus score system through this short video. When you arrive at your table at the start of a round, you will see your names on the screen. All you need to do is tap your name to check in. This will take you to the waiting room where you can see who has already checked in at your table. Once all 4 players have checked in and the round clock has started, the game starts automatically with opening the board selector window. In this form of the game, you will hold the cards in your hand, and the tablet is mainly used for bidding and scoring. Let's take out your cards and begin. The game starts when one player selects the correct board and the others confirm. If no one chooses within 4 seconds, the lowest numbered unplayed board starts automatically. When it is your turn, the bidding panel pops up on your screen. To place a bid, you just tap the level and the suit. When you alert your partner's bid, simply tap on their bid and a small A will appear. With screens in use, you can alert your own bids by using the alert toggle on your bidding panel or by tapping on it after it was sent. After you place a bid, a pop-up window will appear, where you can see your input immediately and cancel if you misclicked. If you cancel it, then no one else at the table will notice and you can place the bid you intended. The length of this feature can be set from 0 to 5 seconds. We will talk about this later, along with all the other settings. Once the bidding is complete, the field is yours until the end of the gameplay. After you have finished the board, it is the declarer's job to enter the results into his tablet. If the screen is not asleep when you finish playing, you can press the Add Result button, but, as default, the tablets fall asleep 1 minute after the auction. In that case, you will need to tap the screen to wake it up. After that, a small form will appear on the declarer's tablet to enter the result. The system remembers the final contract, so all you have to do is enter the lead and then the number of tricks. To proceed to the next board, both opponents must accept the result you have entered. If they don't agree, they can reject it and ask the declarer to correct the mistake. If the result is accepted, the full hand is displayed for a few seconds. In the top left corner, you will always see the current board number with the vulnerability and the dealer. Everything is shown from your point of view, so you are always at the bottom, even if you are east or west. Below this, you can see the round clock and the number of the round. If you need to call the director, press the red whistle button in the top right corner. In order to avoid accidents, calling the director requires confirmation. Then the other players at the table and the directors will immediately receive a notification. The directors will arrive with their own tablets, which shows all the necessary information about the auction, alerts, and the time consumed by each action. There are some other functions in the top right corner. This icon with a crossed-out eye is used for hiding your screen. Tap it if you leave the table for any reason, to prevent other players from viewing your screen. With the CC button, you can see your opponent's convention card. This button is only active if their convention card has been uploaded beforehand by the organizers. If you are interested in a particular detail, you can easily zoom in on the document by pinching in and out. The little book symbol here takes you to your personal score, where you can check every deal you played by tapping on their numbers. Here you can see the hand diagram with the double dummy analysis and the par score. If enabled by the organizers, you can also see the results from other tables. You can check the current standings by tapping on the Live Results button. The last button here is for the settings. Note that these are your personal settings, and the system will remember any changes you make, even if you move to another tablet or another tournament. This includes selecting your preferred language, adjusting the brightness of your screen, and requesting different visual or sound notifications. In the bid menu, you can set the length of the cancellation period from 0 to 5 seconds, or choose to ask for the confirmation of each bid of yours. And there you go, ready for your first LoveBridge tournament. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, feel free to send an email to info@lovebridge.com.